So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and put your Powerbeats Pros 2s into pairing mode. So you might be looking through and you might be trying to figure out, well, like, how do I even put these things in some sort of pairing mode? Like, there's no way to do it. Well, there's actually a way to do it, and that is by opening up the case. So if your case is closed like this, what you want to do is you want to open up the case just like so, and you'll see this button right in the middle. What you want to do, in order to pair these up, you want to hold down this pairing button. Now you can see at the very bottom I have this light that's on. Well, if I hold down this particular light, this particular button like this, you want to keep holding it down until this light at the front starts blinking. You will hear that sound and you will start hearing it blink or start seeing it blink. That basically means that these headphones are basically now in pairing mode. So now if you want to, you can go ahead and try connecting it or pairing it up to a different pair of devices, to a different pair of headphones or a different device in general. So you can go through and kind of modify it that way. And that's basically all you're going to have to do there. So you can go through, again, kind of see which way you want to kind of modify it at, and then connect this device to other devices. But that's basically all you're going to have to do. Now, if it's your first time opening up the case, you can also just basically go through and just open up the case for the first time, and it will automatically get into pairing mode as well. And you can try connecting it to different devices that way too. So you have a few different ways to do it, but that's basically the main way to do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solid.